This is for Year 12 Specialist. It comes out of TSSM exam 2, model results question number 9. And I want to find the smallest distance between a straight line and a circle. Okay, a couple of things I need to do into this question. Looking at this, I've got x plus yi minus x plus y plus 4i equals 2. So I'm only looking at the real component of z, so x, minus, I'm only looking for the imaginary component, so y plus 4 equals 2, x minus 2 equals y plus 4, y equals x minus 6. So that's the straight line. Looking at the circle, I've got x plus y minus 2i equals 2. Therefore, x squared plus y minus 2 squared equals 2 squared. So it's a circle centered at 2 with a radius of 2. And this is a straight line down here at -6 with a gradient of 1. And I'm looking for that distance there where that's a right angle and that cuts that at a right angle. I could do the implicit differentiation of the circle and set the gradient equal to 1 and solve for x, and then try and find that distance. So let's go. I've typed in my circle, and just to confirm, there's my circle and there's my straight line. So if I go interactive calculation, implicit differentiation, and I set that equal to 1, and say solve for y, so that's an expression that will be on the circle where the gradient is equal to 1. Now if I do bring up keyboard, simultaneous equations, and also put the circle in there, solve for x and y. So I get 2 intersection points, obviously. I get one over here, and I don't want that one. I want this one here, and that one there will be root 2 minus root 2. So that's that coordinate. I'd like to find this coordinate section, and that will be where that line, which represents where the circle has a gradient of 1, and y equals x minus 6, which is this line over here. And I get -2, 4, 3, -1, that's what I want. And now I want to find the distance, so it's going to be the square root of 3 minus root 2 squared plus -1 minus 2 minus root 2 squared, square root, and hopefully it's one of those choices. Okay, I picked up a typo. Back up here, I had an x sitting in here. So this is actually 4 and minus 2, which means I've got 4 and minus 2, and that gives me, as the distance, 4 root 2 minus 2, which is a.